welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and you guys said you wanted to see me do some cooking videos, so I'm gonna film some cooking videos. I'm actually not gonna cook anything. I'm actually going to create some guacamole. This is a really quick guacamole I make for my kids because they're pains in the butts, but I figured I might as well film it. I ain't doing nothing. I'm home. So if you're interested in seeing the ingredients that I put in this quick guacamole, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. So first you're gonna need 2 avocados. I'm using a half a lime. I'm also using some green onion and some cilantro, salt, pepper, and sour cream. So that's the gist of my ingredients. You also need a bowl, fork to mash up your avocado, spoon to mix your ingredients together, and for the sour cream, and a knife to cut your avocados. Now let's get going. Avocados, and I made them into little cubes. This is the last one that I'm going to cube, and then I'm going to put that in my bowl. Alright, so I scooped my avocados out with my spoon, and now we are going to smash these up. Mine were a tiny bit overripe, so I had to like get some of that black stuff off from the skin. Alright, we're all smashed up. So when I do guacamole, for me, I like a little bit more texture, but this is for my 2-year-old and my 3-year-old, and they like it a little bit more smooth, so that's why I mashed it up a little bit more. I'm gonna take my lime, and I'm gonna just squeeze that juice. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my salt, and I usually have a salt shaker, but haven't found it in the move. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and then my black pepper, a little bit, and we're gonna mix that all together. So now I got my green onion and my cilantro, and I'm gonna go ahead and chop it all up. Green onion chopped up, cilantro chopped up. So we're gonna go ahead and take this and put that in there, and some of this. Gotta get the veggies and the kids somehow, right? And then we are gonna mix that up and then add the sour cream. Now we're gonna add a small little scoop of sour cream, and I do this because it makes it like extra creamy for my babies. That's enough. And let's close this up, and then you're gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna put some in a plate with some chips, multi-grain scoopable chips from Tostitos, and I'm gonna serve it to my 3-year-old. Okay, and that's the finished product. This is the guacamole kid version, and then I'm gonna serve it with the Tostitos multi-grain scoops. You can add to this Roma tomatoes, red onion, and jalapeno, and it'll be awesome. I don't eat the jalapeno part, but I eat the other stuff. My husband likes the jalapeno. I usually make it just without the jalapeno, and he eats it, but you can add that. And yeah, this is just a healthy snack. I love to give it to my kids. They enjoy it. Whatever makes it fun for them to eat, right? Healthy is where it's at. Here is the snack. You like this snack?
Yes.
It's your favorite? What is it?
Guacamole chips.
That's right. Enjoy, my lovey. All right, and that completes this video. That was my quick and easy guacamole recipe that I do for my kids. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys said you wanted to see more cooking videos from me. This is the first, I guess, of my cooking series while in quarantine. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Share some recipes that you guys are using during quarantine. Maybe drop a couple comments on some meals that you might want me to see, or my version of some meals. And just stay tuned. I'll have a bunch more coming up in the future. And yeah, thanks again for all the love and the support. And I will see all you beauties in my next video.